Hello, how can I help you?
Hi there. I would like a table for two, please.
No problem. Please follow me to the seating area. Here is your table.
Great. Thank you. Can I get the menu, please?
Yes, of course. Please wait one moment. Here is your menu. Can I get you anything to drink?
Water is fine for me, please.
I'll have a Diet Coke, please. Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. I'd like the grilled chicken with chips and rice, please.
Would you like a starter?
No, thank you. I'll just have the main course.
For starter, I'd like pumpkin soup. For the main course, I'd like fried fish with salad, please.
Good afternoon. Your food is ready. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you very much. The fried fish tastes delicious. How is your grilled chicken?
It tastes amazing. I'm so glad we came to this restaurant. The view outside is also beautiful.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was lovely. Thank you.
Would you like anything for dessert?
Yes, please. I'd like cheesecake.
I'd like chocolate fudge cake, please.
Here is your dessert. Cheesecake for you, sir. Chocolate fudge cake for you, madam.
Thank you. Excuse me, please can I get a glass of water?
Yes, of course. Can I bring you anything else?
No, thank you, just the bill. Of course. Here it is. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
May I take your order, please?
Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger and French fries, please.
Would you like anything else with that?
I'd like a can of Coke, please.
Are you eating in or taking out?
I'll be eating in.
That'll be £5 then, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your order. Enjoy your meal.
Hello, I'd like a fried chicken burger with fries, please.
Sure. Would you like cheese and salad in your burger?
No cheese, please.
No problem, sir. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, a bottle of water, please.
Would you like anything else?
That's all, thank you.
For here or to go?
To go.
It costs £4.90.
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal.